So I'm literally only looking for price to revisit this area here because on the 15 minute there is a volume imbalance and we ran the relative equal highs at 24.9. So I'm looking for price to take this out before going for 24.975. Hey. Watch this, dude. Instead, look. Let's look at this. Look. Look. Hey. Here. Hey. Here. So I'm going to take 2 off, but we should press through here. And I'm trading against the trend. The trend is very strong bullish. Um, but I do think in order for price to be pretty efficient, or not efficient, but I do think because we ran those relative equal highs up at 24.913, I think we're going to come down into this volume imbalance and then just not look back for the rest of the day and continue higher. So this is going to be like pretty inefficient price delivery because it's going against the underlying bullish delivery. But my thought is we come down into here, and it doesn't, like, I might get stopped out right here, but my thought is we come down into here and then we rocket into 24.975 before the day's end. So I'm going to leave this up unless we get stopped out right here. If we get stopped out, I'm going to close it. But that's my thesis for this entry, and should work, but inefficient price delivery, so we'll see. Okay, so stopped out there because, again, going counter trend. I fully anticipate it still coming down here because now that I'm stopped out, I can show you guys. Very small, you can't really see it, but we have a volume imbalance right here. So this close is 890.50. This open is 890.75. We ran these relative equal highs, so this wick here and this wick here, we ran above it. So the thesis for that entry, although it's counter trend, is that if we want to just keep pressing higher and not looking back, we're going to want to trade into this area. Now dropping back down to the 5-second, we can see it's pretty inefficient, and it's going to be because I think price is trying to make its way back there against the trend. And the trend is so strong, it's having a really tough time coming back down into this. So definitely watch this level for price sensitivity. If we trade through it and just get into that volume imbalance, I do think we see price want to take off very quickly. So this could be it right here. It may not be, but if we get in here, we're going to see price want to immediately go back for the highs. So got stopped out here just because it is pretty, it's inefficient delivery because it's going against the trend, but should come in here, and then once it gets in here, we'll see how it works out. So we're pretty close. I'm going to close this one up. We'll most likely go in there. You guys come back and take a look. You guys go back and take a look at price. Let me know. As always, good luck, good trading, be safe.